Hi everyone, this is Missy Sagers, and have I got an event that we're sponsoring here this July 15th at our office that you are all invited to. This is our first one, and so if you haven't come to one of our events before, I encourage for you to give us a try. I'm very excited about this. We're having an art show. So we have at least 7 artists signed up to attend the art show. They are very well-known San Antonio artists, and they will have paintings for sale. We also have some from the Glass Guild and other artwork that will be for sale. So if art is up your alley, you're going to want to join us on July 15th. And that is from 4 to 8 here at our office, 5711 Northwest Parkway. And we'll provide an invite link in this video, and we would be excited to see you. It's going to be hors d'oeuvres, drinks, and some great art that you can purchase and take home. It'll be worth coming to see if you like art. So we're looking forward to seeing you. Remember, July 15th, and click below to sign up to come.